Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can downvote a reply on Twitter. So click on a tweet, select it, and then you're just going to go down, and for instance, you want to downvote this tweet right here, the one that says you. Just press the arrow going down, and that means you have downvoted this tweet, but they won't know if you've sort of downvoted their tweet. And what downvote is, if I think there's a lot of downvotes, it might get taken down. I'm not completely sure on it, but that's how you can downvote. If you want to unvote this, you're just going to press it again. For instance, you accidentally clicked on it, just click on it. Just click on it again. There. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!